Oh my God, we're going over a big doggy hill.
Sorry, birds.
Now, there isn't a salmon on the line as we get through this. I'll be flummoxed.
Sorry,
What?
birds.
Hey, honey, is that you?
I'm gonna cut around. They're still hitting it right there.
Oh my God, look at the baseball.
Look at a fight over.
Honey, I got it.
Wait a minute.
Oh, no, wait.
This might still be on. He was swimming at me.
Good thing you didn't
He's
stop.
still there. He's still there. Mark, he's swimming at the boat. I was reeling fast, too.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. Look at the second
Oh,
line.
no, wait, Dennis.
Don't lose it.
No, he's there. Oh, that's from Rags for Richards to Rags for Richards, huh? It's the real fish, guys. It's a real one. Well.
Here he is. There she is.
Oh.
Keep coming. Keep coming. You got footage of this?
Right wheel.
Yeah.
She's making a run.
Right wheel.
She's making a run. She made a big run. Keep that tension.
All right, Will.
Nice bottom lip hook. She's
Will.
making another run.
Still green.
Yep. Hell of a run.
Oh.
Real.
Oh.
Real.
Gone.
God damn. Yep. She jumped.
Nothing I can do.
Nothing.
Maybe we should have stabbed that at first. What do you think? Tighten it down and go for it, huh?
All right, Will. Just
No.
straighten out.
Hey, it was a
That
hell
was
of a
20,
fight.
25 pounds. That was a tournament winner.
It was a nice fish. That's okay.
Well, guys, that's how close we were, right at the net.
Shit.
You know the equivalent of that one, Mark, is a guy pitching a no-hitter, and he's one strike away from the no-hitter. Seriously. He's on the last batter, right?
And the worst.
The guy gets a single.
Yeah.
And they lose the game.
They lose the game, but they got the single.
Will, steer for a second.
It's a mackerel.
Oh my God.
Holy mackerel.
Well, what do you catch if you leave a mackerel on?
Those are great fried up, my friend. Should we keep it? Sure. Huh? Sure. Here's a fish.
Another one. Keep it.
That's a big one.
Might as well have two of them, right?
Yeah. Everyone will want to taste it.
Look at the size
That's
of
like
that
a
little
bonito,
son of
for
a bitch.
Christ's sake.
Beautiful.
That's a gorgeous mackerel right there, folks.
Beautiful. Look at it.
What a fisherman you are.
Toss her in. Hey, we didn't get...
That is twice the size of the other one.
Unbelievable. It's beautiful. Look at that. They're so beautiful.
There you go.
Hey! That's a fish.
What kind of
Salmon.
fish?
It's no.
It's either that or a big ass
It's a salmon.
Is it?
Yep.
How big is it? Can you- Hold on. Let Max get it. Let Max get it.
Is it
Did you lose it?
No, it's here. It's there. Get it.
Son of a bitch! Who don't fall?
It's a shaker.
Shaker hell, lay it on this.
It's a shake.
Hold on, I'm gonna knock this out of gear.
Get the GoPro out of the way.
It's out of here.
GoPro's on.
Get this out.
The GoPro's on.
Wait a minute.
It's a little shaker.
No, it's not.
Where's the GoPro, Mark?
Here in my hand.
Lay it down. Well, we know there's salmon here. Get the net out of the way.
I'm trying.
I will here.
Whoa! Stand overboard.
Is it off the boat?
No, it's
we
here.
fell off the thing here.
Yeah, it's pretty small.
Ow! It's cutting my finger to
Don't
shit.
touch it. Just let her
By
go.
the time it's done, it's not going to be.
It's
Hold
too
on.
small.
Let me get the tail.
It's pretty small.
It's really small.
God damn. not legal. It's an inch or two short.
Yeah.
Bye, baby.
Gone! Woo! Look at that sucker go.
Wow.
Well, let's catch another one.